Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to grow lion's mane in a bucket. Prepare a clean 5-gallon bucket, sterilize tools, and have substrate and spawn ready before you begin. Mix spawn evenly into cooled, pasteurized sawdust, then pack gently to avoid air pockets. Label your bucket and place it in a dark, cool area with stable temperatures for colonization to start on schedule. Start by wearing clean gloves and a mask, then work quickly to reduce contamination risk. Scoop and fold spawn into substrate, aiming for uniform white strands after colonization. Seal the bucket lid with breathable filter patches or tape to allow gas exchange while keeping contaminants out. Keep the bucket in consistent darkness and avoid moving it frequently to let mycelium. Once the substrate is fully white, initiate fruiting by exposing the bucket to indirect light and increased fresh air. Cut or open a few holes to allow primordia to form while keeping high humidity with misting or a simple tent. Monitor temperature and humidity daily, and harvest when spines reach desired length by twisting gently or cutting with a clean knife for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.